What's in the box?
Hello everyone, it's been a while, but we're back with another episode of What's in the Box, the series where I unpack all the stuff that I buy. And let's find out together what I just received. As you can see, it's a rather small box. And here we go. It is a Spark 143 scale model of the rather quirky, let's say, Peugeot 806 racing car. And yeah, indeed, it actually raced this one at the 24 Hours of Spa in 1995. And I really love weird racing cars, and this one here doesn't, well, it pretty much is as strange as they get. Was driven by Bachelard, Vrellen and Wiedmer. And the packaging also is pretty nice, I think, with these special limited editions released for the 100th edition of the Spa 24 Hours race. And it's a run of 24 iconic cars, apparently. So I'll now remove the plastic, if it'll let me, to have a better look at the Modelcar. And here we go then, yeah, finally. And I've actually seen this car in real life, not at the race itself, but in the Auto World Museum in Brussels. And it's every bit as strange in model form as it was in real life. But yeah, what a weird racing car. I really like this celebratory backing car too, by the way. But this model then, and what a looker. Here's that Belgian flag on the base here in front of the car. But yeah, what a crazy idea to run an MPV car in a race. And the colorful livery also contributes to this car's appeal, I think. Here then you can see this model is limited to 824 pieces too. But yeah, I'm really happy to finally see a model car of it, and I really love its quirkiness, and it will really stand out as well in the collection, I think. So this was the unboxing video of this little Spark 143 Peugeot racing car. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like if you did, subscribe to the channel and check out the other content as well. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.